Your cold, heavy legs might be missing these 5 circulation superfoods. Harvard research shows specific fruits can improve leg blood flow by 40% in 8 weeks, outperforming many supplements. Not just eat more berries advice, we're talking about exact types, amounts, and timing that make the difference between wasting money and fixing circulation. Here's what's happening in your legs. After 60, your blood vessels lose up to 25% of their flexibility. Add slower metabolism and less movement, and you have a perfect storm for poor circulation. However, certain fruits contain potent compounds that can reverse this damage. Nitrates that dilate vessels within hours, anthocyanins that repair capillary walls, and specific flavonoids that restore vessel elasticity. The key is knowing which fruits, how much, and when. Because eating random berries won't cut it. You need the right varieties in the right amounts at the right time. Today, I'll share the exact protocols from leading vascular research centers. Whether you're just starting to notice cold feet or you've been dealing with leg discomfort for years, you'll discover practical strategies that work. And for those who want to dig deeper, I'll include advanced tips from my conversations with vascular specialists. Things they share with patients but rarely make it into mainstream advice. Let's start with the most powerful circulation fruit most people eat incorrectly. Blueberries, the capillary repair specialist. Blueberries are your capillaries' best friend. These tiny vessels in your legs deliver oxygen to every cell. Blueberries help repair and strengthen them. Half a cup daily can reduce leg swelling and that heavy feeling many of us experience by afternoon. Here's your simple action plan. Eat half a cup of blueberries daily. Fresh or frozen, both work. Frozen might be more affordable and equally effective. Add them to oatmeal or yogurt or enjoy them as an afternoon snack. That's it. If you do nothing else, this simple habit can improve your leg circulation noticeably within a month. For those curious about the science, blueberries contain specific anthocyanins called C3G and malvidine. These compounds don't just float around hoping to help. They actively seek out and repair damaged capillary walls. Harvard Medical School's 2024 study tracked adults over 60 who ate blueberries daily. After 8 weeks, ultrasound imaging showed a 23% improvement in peripheral blood flow, the circulation in your legs and feet. The researchers noted that participants reported warmer feet and less nighttime cramping. Here's a surprising fact. Frozen blueberries often deliver more anthocyanins than fresh ones. Why? Freezing breaks down cell walls, making these compounds more bioavailable. So buying frozen isn't settling for second best. It might be superior. For those who want to optimize, here's what vascular researchers do. Buy wild blueberries when possible. They contain 33% more anthocyanins than cultivated varieties. If using frozen, thaw them overnight in the refrigerator and eat within 24 hours. This controlled thawing maximizes anthocyanin release. Timing matters. Morning consumption shows 30% better circulation improvement than evening, possibly due to cortisol's interaction with nitric oxide pathways. Combine your blueberries with 5 to 6 walnuts. The arginine in walnuts amplifies the vasodilation effect of anthocyanins. Cost-saving tip. Costco's Kirkland wild frozen blueberries cost about 40 cents per serving versus $2.50 for fresh wild blueberries, with identical circulation benefits. Beets, the nitric oxide powerhouse. Beets are like natural vasodilators for your blood vessels. They help your vessels relax and open wider, allowing more blood to flow to your legs. Beets might be your answer if you've noticed your feet are cold, even in warm rooms. The most straightforward approach: drink 4 ounces of beet juice 3 to 4 times per week, or eat 1 medium roasted beet every other day. Many people find beet juice easier because you can mix it with apple juice if the earthy taste bothers you. Within 2 weeks, most people notice warmer feet and less leg fatigue. Beets are uniquely rich in dietary nitrates, not harmful in processed meats, but natural compounds your body converts to nitric oxide. This molecule signals your blood vessels to relax and dilate, improving blood flow within 2 to 3 hours of consumption. The Cleveland Clinic's vascular department studied beet juice in patients with peripheral artery disease. Results showed that 8 ounces of beet juice improved walking distance by 18% and reduced leg pain during exercise. For general circulation, they recommend 4 ounces as an effective dose. Important distinction. Beet supplements and powders lose up to 60% of active nitrates during processing. Fresh beets or pure juice deliver the full circulation benefit. Also, vitamin C enhances nitrate conversion. Squeeze a lemon into your beet juice for a 40% boost in effectiveness. Here's the optimization strategy. Peak nitric oxide production occurs 2 to 3 hours after consumption. Time your beet intake strategically. 3 p.m. for an evening circulation boost, or 90 minutes before exercise for enhanced performance. The most bioavailable form is raw beet juice, but there's a catch. Don't use centrifugal juicers, which oxidize nitrates. Cold press or masticating juicers preserve 95% more active compounds. No juicer? Grate raw beets and steep in water overnight, then strain. Pro combination: beets plus arugula salad plus pomegranate seeds. This triple nitrate combo maintains elevated nitric oxide for 6 to 8 hours versus 2 to 3 hours with beets alone. Athletes use this stack, but it works equally well for circulation support. Pomegranate, the artery protector. Pomegranates protect your arteries from the inside out, keeping them flexible and transparent. This is especially important for leg circulation because your leg arteries work against gravity to return blood to your heart. Simple approach: drink 4 ounces of 100% pomegranate juice daily, or eat half a fresh pomegranate 3 to 4 times weekly. Always choose pure juice without added sugars. The sugar negates the circulation benefits. Fresh seeds are wonderful on salads or mixed into yogurt for a circulation-boosting breakfast. Pomegranates contain panicollagens polyphenols, which are so powerful they outperform red wine and green tea in protecting arterial health. These compounds prevent LDL cholesterol from oxidizing and sticking to artery walls, maintaining clear pathways for blood flow. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a landmark study showing pomegranate juice reduced arterial plaque by 30% over 12 months. For leg circulation specifically, participants reported significantly reduced claudication, cramping pain from poor blood flow during walking. Many don't realize that the white membrane inside pomegranates contains the highest concentration of circulation compounds. When juicing at home, include some membrane for maximum benefit. Commercial juices typically miss this. Optimal timing: pomegranate juice with breakfast enhances absorption due to morning stomach acidity. But here's the insider trick: split your dose. 2 ounces in the morning and 2 ounces in the afternoon maintain steady polyphenol levels versus a single spike. Cost breakthrough: POM. Wonderful is excellent, but expensive. Trader Joe's 100% pomegranate juice delivers 85% of the polyphenols at 40% of the cost. For fresh fruit, buy in season, October-February, and freeze the seeds. They maintain full potency for 6 months. Synergy secret: pomegranate plus dark chocolate, 70% cacao minimum. The epicatechins in chocolate extend pomegranate artery protection from 4 to 8 hours. 1 square of dark chocolate with your juice doubles the circulation benefit. Oranges, the vessel strengthener. Oranges do more than provide vitamin C. They strengthen your blood vessel walls from the inside. If you bruise easily or notice spider veins on your legs, oranges can help reinforce those fragile vessels. Keep it simple. Eat 1 whole orange 4 to 5 times weekly. Not orange juice, the whole fruit. The white pith contains special compounds that juice lacks. Choose organic when possible, and don't peel away all the white stuff. Yes, it's slightly bitter, but that's where the vessel-strengthening magic lives. Oranges contain hesperidin, concentrated in the white pith and membranes. This flavonoid specifically targets blood vessel integrity, making vessels stronger and more elastic. Combined with vitamin C, it creates a powerful vessel repair system. The American Heart Association's research shows hesperidin reduces capillary permeability by 27%, meaning less fluid leaks into surrounding tissue, reducing leg swelling. Studies also demonstrate improved microcirculation in the smallest leg vessels where blood flow often stagnates. Critical point: orange juice loses 90% of hesperidin during processing. Even high pulp juice can't match the benefits of whole fruit. The fiber in entire oranges also slows sugar absorption, preventing the blood sugar spikes that damage vessels over time. Bioavailability hack. Hesperidin absorption triples when consumed with healthy fats. Eat your orange with 10 almonds or after a meal containing olive oil. The fat helps transport hesperidin across intestinal walls. Variety matters. Blood oranges contain anthocyanins plus hesperidin, a dual circulation boost. Caracara oranges offer lycopene alongside standard benefits. Rotate varieties for comprehensive vessel support. Preparation technique: score the orange peel in quarters and microwave for 20 seconds. This softens the pith, making it palatable while preserving hesperidin. You'll enjoy eating the whole fruit, maximizing circulation benefits. Grapes, the vein health champions. Red and purple grapes specifically target vein health, which is crucial because leg veins work hardest against gravity. Grapes can provide relief if you notice visible veins or experience that heavy, achy feeling by evening. Central your simple strategy: eat 1 cup of red or purple grapes 4 to 5 times weekly. Frozen grapes make a perfect dessert replacement that's improving your circulation. Green grapes don't offer the same benefits. The deep color indicates circulation-supporting compounds. Dark grapes contain resveratrol and quercetin, compounds that strengthen vein walls and improve valve function. Your leg veins have one-way valves that prevent blood from flowing backward. These compounds help maintain valve integrity. Mayo Clinic research indicates grape polyphenols reduce inflammation in vein walls by 35%, decreasing that heavy, swollen feeling. The Cleveland Clinic notes that regular grape consumption may slow varicose vein progression, though it won't reverse existing ones. Interesting finding: grape seeds contain 95% of the circulation benefits, but are bitter and hard. Solution: choose seeded varieties and chew thoroughly, or look for grapes marketed as high polyphenol and that have been bred for maximum compound content. Temperature trick: partially frozen grapes release more polyphenols during chewing. Freeze for 2 hours, not solid. This creates ice crystals that rupture cell walls without making them too hard to chew. Synergistic pairing: grapes plus green tea create a circulation powerhouse. The EGCG&T extends resveratrol's active time from 30 minutes to 4 hours. Enjoy grapes as your afternoon snack with green tea for extended vein support. Shopping insider tip: Tomcord grapes, a Concord-Thompson hybrid, contain 3 times more circulation compounds than standard red grapes. Available August-October at Whole Foods and farmers markets. Yes, they're pricier, but you need only 1/3 the amount for equal benefit. Comprehensive summary and integration strategy. You now have 5 powerful fruits for leg circulation, each targeting different aspects. 1. Blueberries repair capillaries. 2. Beets dilate blood vessels. 3. Pomegranates protect arteries. 4. Oranges strengthen vessel walls. 5. Grapes support vein health. But here's what makes the real difference: strategic combination. You don't need all 5 daily. Instead, rotate them based on your specific needs. Your personalized protocol. For cold feet and general circulation, focus on beets and blueberries. The nitric oxide from beets provides immediate vessel dilation, while blueberries offer long-term capillary repair. For leg heaviness and vein issues, prioritize grapes and oranges. These work together to strengthen vein walls and improve valve function. For arterial health and cramping, pomegranates and beets form your core strategy, protecting arteries while improving blood flow. Weekly schedule that works. Here's a practical rotation many find sustainable. 1. Mondays, Thursday, beet juice, 4 ounces plus cup of grapes. 2. Tuesday, Friday, blueberries a half cup plus whole orange. 3. Wednesday, Saturday, pomegranate juice 4 ounces plus blueberries. 4. Sunday, choose your favorite combination. This provides comprehensive circulation support without overwhelming your routine or budget. The 30-day transformation. Week 1 to 2, you'll notice warmer feet, especially with beets and pomegranate. Week 3-4, leg heaviness improves, less evening swelling. Week 5-8, sustained energy, better walking endurance, reduced cramping. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Even in smaller amounts, Eating these fruits regularly outperforms sporadic large servings. Action steps and resources. Start today with one simple step. Choose one fruit from today's list, whichever appeals most or addresses your primary concern. Commit to eating it consistently for 2 weeks before adding another. This prevents you from being overwhelmed and helps you identify which fruits work best for your body. Smart shopping guide. Budget-friendly options. 1. Frozen wild blueberries, Costco Aldi. 2. Canned beets, rinse to reduce sodium. 3. 100% juice blends, pomegranate blueberry combos. 4. In-season oranges and grapes. 5. Buy in bulk during peak season and freeze. Track your progress. Keep a simple log. 1. Morning foot temperature, warm, cool, cold. 2. Afternoon leg comfort, 1 to 10 scale. 3. Evening swelling, none, mild, moderate. 4. Walking endurance. Most people see noticeable improvement within 14 to 21 days. Get your free resources. I've created a downloadable circulation fruit shopping list with 1. Best brands for each fruit. 2. Seasonal buying guides. 3. Money-saving combinations. 4. Quick reference serving sizes. Find the link in the description below. Ready to expand beyond fruits? Watch Top 7 Vitamins to Strengthen Your Legs After 60, the perfect complement to today's nutrition strategy. Your legs have carried you this far. Every step you've taken, every mile you've walked, your legs have been there. Now, it's time to give back. Start with one fruit, stay consistent, and notice the difference. Remember, small changes in what you eat improve how you feel. Your legs and your life will thank you. Take care of your circulation, and it will take care of you.